drone sightings were reported just outside LaGuardia Airport.
I'm getting multiple calls for drones. I have about 5 to 10 drones hovering LaGuardia.
And still, no one knows who launched them.
People of this city and state and region deserve answers of what the heck is going on.
Local lawmakers today are demanding answers. One congresswoman says she feels like she's in an alien movie.
20 years ago, they filmed War of the Worlds on Staten Island. And now we feel like we're characters in that movie. What is happening is outrageous.
New Jersey Senator Andy Kim says he went out with the state police last night and personally observed 5 to 7 lights in the sky. Maryland's former Governor Larry Hogan says, "Last night, I personally witnessed and videoed what appeared to be dozens of large drones in the sky above my residence in Davidsonville, Maryland, 25 miles from our nation's capital. I observed the activity for approximately 45 minutes.
That's 100% an airplane.
We asked drone expert Dr. William Austin to analyze the videos.
Do you think that they're all airplanes? I mean, people are seeing some drones, right?
But right now, there are no drones in the sky, aside, again, from small drones. And that is your neighbor putting up a drone to see if they can see the large drones. So there are drones in the sky now. They're just not the drones that people think they are.
Here they are.